Here is the head-to-head comparison of what ChatGPT said about ChatGPT 4 versus 5 and what I got. So first thing first, simply I asked it what's the difference between these both. Then I got these features. But as a creator, I'm interested in image generation, so I put this. But I got this annoying answer instead of image. Then I remember I had customized GPT-4 for image generation in settings, which look like this. So it means I have to put the same prompt like this so I can get the desired result in GPT-5. That's why I put the same prompt like this format. However, I don't see any rendering. I don't know why, but I know that it can be seen in library, so I go to the library of GPT-5 and here is the result, which is quite interesting, but I want to know your opinion about this image.